Nothing?
Not even the VCR.
What about now?
Nope.
Okay, and switch. Yay!
There you go.
Hell yeah.
But not the VCR.
Not the VCR.
Let's go.
Hi everybody. Oh, we're back at it. Like we said we would be. We're doing something. We gotta clear some stuff out of here. Do not judge the downstairs room in the house right now. I'm barely set up here, just enough to edit and do things. And this is what's remaining of what's left. And that is Dad's gigantic, huge monster model railway setup. It's insane. I'm not even diving into that because all underneath it is all full of train stuff. So that's always fun. I have started a whole nother channel on that for Papa Pet's HO Railroad. So I am digging into a bunch of this stuff and getting these engines running again and tinkering with all this till I figure out what I'm going to do with it and where I'm going to go with it and how I'm going to break it down, because it's just way too big and it's taking up way too much space in here. But for this winter, I'm not concerned. A few little things left here. Peloton, her rower. But what we're getting at today is the front clip for the 37 Plymouth, which my father turned into his entertainment center and was in the living room with the TV on it and had it all done. It's gonna be too much to keep down here. It takes up a lot of space, and I used to have this front clip wrapped around one of my big maple trees at my last house beside my shop on display. So what we're going to do with it is I'm going to take it outside. I've disconnected it. I'm going to get rid of the rest of the home theater system underneath of it. I just don't have anywhere to go with it, and it's just not feasible to keep it in here. So I want to get this thing outside, and it is going to go in that corner that you've seen in previous videos, especially the one where we brought the truck home. Yeah, you can check out that one here somewhere. But that's the one. We're going to stuff this thing up in the corner in the rocks and put it back outside where it needs to be. So it's on display, broken car, and then I've got all that other steel stuff out there and kind of building like a New Mexico, Arizona, Texas, Southwest theme all down that fence line with all that cool rusty steel. And I'm going to add some more signs to it, and the railway sign, and I'm going to build a cactus and blah, blah, blah. So we're going to move some of this so we can roll this thing out, because it is on an entire cradle underneath, and he framed it all in with rollers, which is nice. And I'm going to get everything out, get it in the garage, get it disassembled. I know it's not staying in the house. It would be kind of cool if I could set it in there and get, because that wood stove has to go. This gigantic Triumph's got to get out of here. But it ain't happening anytime soon. Not till next year. He also made these really cool stained glass lenses where the headlights would go. And he utilized old chrome rings for your oven around the heating element, which is amazing that he was thinking about that. But I actually have boxes. There's 16 or 17 of these, all different ones that he made when he was like 17, 18 years old. And he made those so long ago, and there's a box of them here. So he put them in, mounted lights behind it. So I'm going to wire it all in so then it's all lit up, and it's good. The side of the shop all the way down is going to look cool like my last shop. So that's what we're going to do. So let's get at it. Let's get some stuff out of the way. And yeah, let's get ready for a montage. Hey babe, can you give me a hand? Look at that hair. Woo! Yeah, baby.
Why are you using the camera?
Because we're moving things, baby. Okay.
Like my hair?
Yep. Okay. Just grab by the back of the fender and the lip in here. It's not heavy. Oh. What's in there? Well, don't push it in. I have to plug it back in. George of the jungle.
Jungle.
Cool.
Negative.
Nothing?
Not even the VCR.
What about now?
Nope.
Okay, and switch. Yay!
There you go.
Hell yeah.
But not the VCR.
Not the VCR. Sweet. So yeah, he built these back when he was late teens, early 20s, all stained glass. And there's a box of them around, all different colors, which is cool. So I'm excited about that. So they light up. They're like a low LED puck light in behind, which is great. So it's gonna sit right out here. Right up in this corner here. And we're gonna bring more rocks in and we're gonna go all the way down this fence line and keep going. And I'm gonna put a cactus in here. And so it's gonna sit up in there and up in the rocks. And then I'll tie the wiring in, and well, I have to wire in a coach light on either side. So when I do that, I'm gonna wire in the outlet for this. Yeah, it's gonna look pretty rad. It used to have full fenders on it and they swooped all the way down. To be honest, I actually haven't found the fenders, so I don't know where they went, but he cut them off because he took them in the house, but they had a beautiful rolling set of fenders that went out to here. And I actually have the original rims for this car out back, and I had them both under it, so I will stuff them out there and just make it look like it's been lost in a rock pile in a scrapyard or a farmer's row. So it wasn't an original patina before he painted it, this black color, and done this whatever gold on it. It's like an old green color. It was pretty cool. I never had the rest of the car. All I had picked up was this front clip for free because I was building another car and I needed the front clip possibly just for the wheel arches. Never ended up needing them. Sold the other car, kept this and put it around a tree. The hood's, where the hell is the hood for this thing too? I actually have the butterfly hood for this somewhere. I don't know. It's somewhere. It's gotta be here somewhere. But we'll find it. We'll get this thing prepped and then we'll get it outside. It'll look pretty rad when all this stuff's all nicely done. All through here, all gravel and rocks and random old school stuff and signs and a big cactus. I want to build a cactus, so that'll be cool. So we'll get this thing together. Baby girl's doing her. What are you smiling for over there? Uh-oh, what'd you do?
Cactus. I want a cactus.
I want a cactus. I'm gonna build a cactus. I want to build a cactus. Hi.
What about a skeleton with a sailor's hat and an eye patch? That's funny. That's my vibe.
This is like now 20, so I should change this to 20. What's your vibe?
What's 20? What's your 20?
What's your 2020? Victor, what's your Victor vector? Roger, Roger.
Oh, I'm just painting this old fireplace here. You know, putting some white coats on it.
And a little whitewash and an old fireplace to match the rest of the house.
Make it a little fancy.
Oh, that's good. You got some fancy panties.
I like my outfit.
What is this?
Covered in sand or
Yeah.
sand, dust. One of the things.
All right, cool. Let's get into this thing and tear it down.